75. I said, no, not me. I was asleep. This is a self-driving car. He said, ma'am, this is a Delta 88. God damn. I thought this was a Tesla, officer. Trying to figure out how to suck some dick to get out the conversation. Where your wife at, officer? Fuck your wife at, officer. Oh, so yeah, y'all, play sleep. You know what? Shout out to the Alabama men. Shout out to the Alabama men out here. Period. Since I've been out here, I've been like, you know, they been hitting on me or whatever. And I ain't never had no white man before, so I'm like, you know, I'm looking. You see me? I'm looking for Superman. Period. Take it out. Yo. Don't call him. Don't make him stop. I like her. Not now. That wasn't not at all. That was a not now. Not now. But no, I ran into a guy at the gas station up the street, y'all, and the guy walked into me. He was really handsome. And he was like, oh my God, you're so beautiful. How old are you?
27.
And I was like, 50.
Oh, you look great.
And he was like, oh my God, you're really half a decade. If that's what you want, if that's what you desire, we're gonna go ahead up in 2 ponytails. You hear me? Half a decade. Shout out to Alabama. I like Alabama men. I call my friends on and be like, I had an Alabama man call me today. He said I look half a decade. But I really BBB. She was like, half a decade, friend? She said, you know how old half a decade is? I said, nah, but it sounds cute. How old half a decade is? 5 years old?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't think he is. He had that Alabama education system.